Yo, what's up, guys? Today I got like the new brand of the latest version of Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, I supposed to do not unbox it, but I need to use I put the screen protector on, and that's why I'm trying to unbox it in a store. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what is this gigantic thing. All right, and everything looks super cool. All right, this thing is okay. I'm gonna use this. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if this one actually gonna work. No. Seriously. Oh, okay. All right. This is Vietnam version. All right, here's the tablet. Looks super cool. All right. Okay. Mm, nope. Hold on. All right. Not gonna lie, this tablet looks amazing. I'm not sure about the display quality, but everything looks super cool. All right, let me just turn it. Okay, I'm gonna review this later, but now I'm just trying to turn it on and test everything, because they're gonna say they're not responsible for that, so I need to just turn it on. Here's the okay, there we go, Samsung. Super fast. All right, it's not the Korean version, come on. Start. We're going to Australia, United Kingdom. Where do you live? It's none of your goddamn business. Why would I just select? Oh, wait. This one. I don't know what just happened. All right, yeah. So the changes just apply to this tablet for my region, okay? You just saw that, and once I just clicked on the region, you just change some app, which is I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna set up manually, yeah, and I don't have Wi-Fi at the moment. Skip the Wi-Fi. Next. Oh, no, 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 no. No, skip. Alright. Skip. Skip anyway. Skip, skip. Dark mode, obviously. Alright, here's the display quality. Okay, I know that. I'm a Samsung user. Turn on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, done, location, turn it off, yes. Here's the thing, photo quality. Let's go to the settings, and it should be Android 16 by default. Let's just check the tablet information. Okay, where's the software information? Yep. Let me just switch on dark mode. Switch on light mode. Adaptive brightness. Display motion is adaptive. Where's okay, light mode. There we go. Not gonna lie, the display looks absolutely amazing. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna review this tablet when I just got home, and I need to put the screen protector and the case on. Thanks for watching.